Hello people, another video for you guys here. Today we're going to discuss how to bypass this whole enforcement that Microsoft has for you when you're setting up a Windows PC for the first time. They basically force you to connect to a network, which ultimately forces you to log in with a Microsoft account. For the average person, it makes the setup process simple and easy and quick. However, as an IT professional, there's many reasons why I need to bypass this enforcement. For my particular reason, I want to set up a local account. I don't want to initiate a Microsoft account because I want to do some local admin stuff and set up with a local admin account before I do any of this Microsoft 365 account stuff. So for whatever your reason is, there is a trick to bypass this network enforcement, and there's many recommendations or tips out there on the network when you Google. None of them work. I must say 99% of what I've seen doesn't work. However, your guy is here. Carlos is here with DCT to show you the way to bypass and set up a local account and do all your setup from there. So I'm going to start walking through. You guys have seen this setup process here where you choose your language. You basically choose your country, region, choose your keyboard layout, and I always skip this secondary keyboard layout stuff here. So here's where we want to discuss the meat here. Right here is what used to be the option to select, connect with limited access or don't have an internet connection in this case, which basically takes you into the allows you to then create local account, blah, 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 blah. But as you guys can see here, that option doesn't exist. We're grayed out here. We cannot bypass this at all. You hit escape, nothing works. So basically what you're going to do here is when you see this option here, you get to this screen, you're going to hit Shift F10, okay? You're going to press Shift F10 on your keyboard. The Shift key, hold down the Shift key and then press F10. After you do that, the PC is going to bring up this DOS prompt. If you're an IT guy, you know the DOS prompt, or they call it command prompt nowadays. And on this command prompt window, you're going to type in the handy shortcut key. I'm just enlarge the window here so you guys can get a better view. You're going to type in this command on the window, and basically it's going to bypass or turn off that option. And so this is the script you're going to type in on your keyboard. Okay, those are O's. They're not zeros. So OOBE. Make sure you capitalize OOBE / bypass NRO. Okay, you're going to type that exactly as you see it. Okay, and then you're going to hit enter on your keyboard. And then what that's going to do, I just want you guys to kind of see this reboot process here. And I kind of sped up the reboot process so you guys, everybody's seen a reboot, so you don't need to drag you through that pain. So the PC reboots and it kind of takes you back to the setup screen. These are familiar windows. We just seen this before. Here's where we get good. Now we have the option. I don't have internet connection. Remember, guys, you guys didn't have that before, right? Remember, we didn't see that before? Let me see if I can kind of move my window back because I want you guys to see the difference here. Remember we had that? Now, after we type in our script, now we have that option, okay? And that's going to give us where we need to be, all right? Once we see that, select I don't have internet connection, okay? So you're going to choose that option, highlight, select on your left click on your mouse, And now we're going to say continue with limited setup. Now, we're here where we need to be. It's going to now accept the fact that we don't have internet connection. It's not going to force us to do Microsoft account logins. We're going to be able to create a local account. Hit accept there. Voila. That's exactly where we need to be. Now it's asking, who's going to use this device? We're going to create her name. In my case, I'm going to create an admin relative to this customer. And now I get to be get really creative with my local PC setup configuration. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you guys. There is a way, and DCT is showing you the way. Your guy Carlos is showing you the way how to bypass that enforcement that basically asks you or forces you to log in and authenticate with a Microsoft account. You want to bypass all that network stuff. Okay, guys? This is your guy Carlos signing out. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.